Ma'am, in our country, some peoples has 12 or 15 children.
No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, ma'am, in our country.
Nah.
Our country is
I
small.
mean, they do here. They do here. Yeah, I have family that has 8, 9 kids.
Ma'am,
I
our
can't
country.
afford it.
Yeah, ma'am, our country is too small, but population is very large. Okay. The reason is that.
English.
Okay,
English.
okay, ma'am, no
Please,
problem.
please.
Actually,
Okay.
I was talking with Sadia by using our native language. Don't mind.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to be rude.
Yeah.
So who will be my point of contact?
Yeah, Sadia.
Sadia.
Yeah, and
Oh,
I
I
am
like
his.
that. Sadia.
Yeah.
Okay. My best friend is Saida.
Okay.
Wow.
Yes, I love that name. I almost named
Okay,
my
okay.
daughter
It's
Saida.
very interesting, ma'am.
Orthopedia.
So
Say
interesting.
what?
You are so cute, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Okay, well we can get started when Salman comes in. Hopefully he gets the message.
Okay,
Here
ma'am.
he is. Here he is. Wonderful. Right on
Okay.
time. Right on time. Okay. Good morning, Salman. How are you? Salman.
Hi, good morning.
Hey.
Hi, Salman. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah, please increase your volume, please.
Turn your
We
volume
cannot-
up, Salman. We can't hardly hear you. Please.
Yeah, just increase your microphone volumes.
Is it? Did you turn it up?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Well, come closer then, because we still can't hardly hear you.
This feels good.
Huh?
Actually, we cannot hear you properly. Okay.
Okay. Well, Salman is one of our interns, and he creates all of our YouTube videos. So he just about every video you see on YouTube, except for the podcast videos, Salman has created them. At least
Okay.
about 10
Salman-
videos, I believe.
Yeah.
So, like I said, we have an internship program. Salman is one of those interns, and we're not going to be long in this meeting because we have another meeting starting in a few minutes. That our weekly Monday intern meeting.
Okay.
So, I want Salman in on this meeting though, so that he can understand what you're saying, what you plan on doing, and how because you're going to be working with him.
Okay.
So how what he can expect from you, what you need from him in order to grow the YouTube channel.
Okay. Salman, where are you from?
Everybody's on the same page.
I'm from Nigeria.
Okay. We are from Bangladesh. Okay.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And this is Sadia. Her name is Sadia. And what's your name again? I can't pronounce your first name.
My name
Yes.
Hasibul.
Can I call you Sheba?
Yeah. You can call me Hasib.
Hasib. Okay, I can do Hasib. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. So now Hasib or
Sadia.
Sadia. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I
Sadia
think
will
we'll
work
look
for
at
you. No
me.
problem. Okay.
Talk to Salman and I about what you're going to do, what you need to get it done, and what you need from us.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Whoever
actually
wants to
you just
work.
share with us your business and or your plan, then we can discuss. Okay? Just share your plan.
Well, the plan is to upload videos. Salman, you're doing what, about 2 videos? At least 2 videos a week now, right?
Yeah, right. Apart from the Instagram videos.
Right. Yeah, that's right. He does YouTube. He does full-length videos for YouTube, which will be anywhere from like 2 minutes to 5 or 6 minutes.
Yeah, just upload and just edit and upload, Salman.
Yeah.
Or also promotion. Do you know promotion?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Actually, Sadia will also work with you, okay? As a partner, no problem.
Yeah,
Right.
no problem.
To promote
So,
our ma'am's
but
channel.
he also does 1-minute videos for our guy who uploads to IG, to Instagram.
Okay.
So
So
he
Salman,
does-
we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, okay? And we both of both are freelancer, and we are provide a lots of service to promote any YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn page, and another website. Okay, according to our targeted location, I mean client's requirement. Okay, so we can work together, no problem. We have agency. Hopefully our journey will best in future.
So what's the first step? What do you need from Salman or
Yeah.
me?
Actually, ma'am, to promote your channel and also optimize your channel, at first Sadia's need to channel access as a manager from you. Okay,
Okay,
To-
as a manager or an editor?
Ma'am,
Because Salman is an editor and he does everything he needs to do.
okay,
I
no
want you to
problem,
be
no
able to
problem,
do
ma'am. If you give the manager access, she will do everything. But if you think you just give her only editor, no problem. She will
Okay,
continue.
Yeah, well, we can start with editor.
Okay, no problem.
Salman does everything he needs to do. He just can't delete anything.
Okay, no problem.
You're able to do everything
So,
you need
Salman,
to do. Right,
what are
Salman?
you doing? Only YouTube or Instagram or Facebook?
Sorry, what did
Please again.
You're asking, does Salman do only YouTube? Yeah, he does YouTube, but he creates the videos for Instagram. He just doesn't upload them.
Ma'am,
to
do you have
Instagram.
Facebook page?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So, though Salman is working on your YouTube channel, you can give us opportunity for Sadia. She can do Facebook page promotion, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Though you have already an employee for your YouTube, that's why you can continue with Sadia for Facebook page. Okay. But in future, hopefully, both will work together for all platforms.
Okay. Well, we'll see. Like I told you, we don't have a budget for it right now, so and that's fine. As soon as we get a budget, as long
Yeah.
as you're doing.
Actually,
the
ma'am,
work
you know, this is our profession, okay, and we are leading our family by this profession. So,
Right.
okay, so everybody needs some money to lead their family, you know, okay, and though we are working together, so we need to spend some time with you, right? So, if you able, ma'am, please pay a little, no, not much, okay, just for little, for starting. Okay, ma'am. So you know, to promote or to develop any business, need to invest some, okay, something.
Eventually, yes. Yes.
Yeah. So if you do
Yeah.
not able to invest, you cannot get your targeted result as soon as possible. It need to be huge time, okay. So you know, you will spend your time. Okay, ma'am, we can agree because we love you, okay, and you are so cute. We can continue with you, no. And also,
Okay.
ma'am, do you know how to give access as an editor?
Do I know how to do what?
Yeah, do you know how to give access as an editor in YouTube channel?
Yeah, the same way I get
Okay, so
access to
Sadia
the
will,
Salman.
yeah, Sadia will send you her email. Okay, then you
Right.
just add her.
Right. And so I can add you as an editor
Yeah,
on
editor, no problem, editor.
Okay.
Do you have any children like us?
I'm older. I think I'm older than all of y'all. My kids are grown. My son will be 33 years old this month.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah,
How many
kids are grown
ma'am?
and
How
grown.
many
I don't have any-
children do you have?
I had 2 and I raised 3. My stepson will be 25 next month.
Okay, ma'am.
He's
It's too.
the youngest.
Yeah, ma'am.
he's
If
the
we
youngest.
compare in our country, it's too little.
Well, hey, as long as he's out of my house, I don't care what you call him.
Yeah, ma'am.
I don't feed him. He's not in my house. I have a grandson. He's 12 years
Ma'am,
old.
in
but-
our country, some peoples has 12 or 15 children.
No.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, ma'am. In our country,
Nah.
our country is
I
small.
mean, they do here. They do here. Yeah, I have family that has 8, 9 kids.
Ma'am,
I
our
can't
country.
afford it.
Yeah, ma'am, our country is too small, but population is very large. Okay. The reason is that
Mm-mm.
lots of
No.
children.
Nah, I don't have the patience for it. I don't have the patience for
Ma'am,
it.
actually, our countries, yeah, ma'am. Actually, our countries peoples are very energetic and very younger. Okay.
Yeah, see. Mm-mm. But see, at 25, they're at home with you, but they're helping to pay the bills. They're helping to feed you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
They're contributing, they're cleaning.
Okay,
here
ma'am.
they
So don't
use-
mind for that. Okay. Nice to meet you. Thanks for your time.
Alrighty. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You have a good day.
Okay, ma'am. Appreciate.